In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a strong LinkedIn post with ChatGPT. The goal here is not just to write faster, but to create a post that sounds like you, connects with the right people, and encourages real engagement. A good LinkedIn post usually starts with a clear idea, speaks to a specific audience, and delivers something useful, whether that's an opinion, a lesson, or a practical insight. Start by choosing one clear topic for your LinkedIn post. Keep it focused. Instead of trying to cover too many ideas at once, pick a single subject that you can explain clearly and confidently. Once you have your topic, identify the audience you want to reach. Think about who should read this post. It could be recruiters, clients, colleagues, founders, job seekers, or people in your industry. Knowing your audience helps shape the tone and the message. Next, write down your opinion, your experience, or a lesson you've learned about that topic. This is important because ChatGPT works best when you give it real substance to work with. The more specific your input is, the more natural and useful the output will be. Then give this information to ChatGPT and ask it to generate several opening hooks. A strong opening helps people stop scrolling and pay attention. After that, select the hook that best matches your voice. Don't just choose the most dramatic one. Choose the one that feels natural and believable for you. Then ask ChatGPT to organize the post into short, readable paragraphs. This makes the post easier to scan, which is especially helpful on LinkedIn where people often read quickly. Make sure to include a useful example or practical takeaway. This gives readers something they can apply, and it adds value to the post. At the end, add a natural question or call to action. Keep it simple and relevant so it invites conversation instead of sounding forced. Before you publish, remove generic wording and exaggerated claims. If something sounds too vague or overly polished, rewrite it so it feels more honest and direct. Then add personal details and experiences that make the post original. This is what helps your content stand out and sound human rather than automated. Finally, proofread the finished post carefully. Check for clarity, grammar, and flow. Once everything looks good, publish it on LinkedIn and review the engagement. Pay attention to what people respond to because that feedback can help you improve your next post and build a stronger content style over time.